The briefing of WE-270DSA, operation cycle, function, and troubleshooting. Our company has been accredited to ISO 9001, KEMA, DNV, SLG, etc. And our products are made under secure specifications, quality, and precision. Read and understand the entire instruction manual before operation. Assembly. Install the control box and make sure it is positioned. Check out the motor's voltage and connect power source. Clean rust-protected surfaces with kerosene or a mild solvent. Slide the material stop bar and the stop onto the bar and tighten bolts. Install the feeding roller stand and make it parallel with the table. Control panel. Main power switch and power indicator light. Starting hydraulic pump. Manual operation. Saw bow up and down. Speed selector. Motor speed set and converted. Hand-foot pedal operation selector. Starting semi-auto operation. Saw bow raising height setting and adjusting. Emergency switch operating and cutting speed adjusting. Out of order indicating and warning. Blade cover warning light. Speed selector indicator light. Motor overload warning light. Blade broken warning light. Emergency stop indicator light. Hydraulic pump overload warning light. Foot pedal switch indicator light. Foot pedal emergency stop indicator light. Cutting and angle selection. During semi-auto operation, when the material is properly clamped, the saw bow will automatically descend and start cutting. Horizontal cutting. Swivel the saw bow to the right side to cut angles from 1 degrees to 60 degrees. Unlock the angle setting pin. Unlock the setting lever to release the saw bow to get the desired degree. Lock the setting lever if the index corresponds to the desired degree to be cut. Swivel the saw bow to the left side to cut angles from 1 degrees to 45 degrees. Unlock the angle setting pin. Unlock the setting lever to release the saw bow to get the desired degree. Lock the setting lever if the index corresponds to the desired degree to be cut. Pipe cutting. I-beam cutting. Channel steel cutting. Angle iron cutting. Angle iron miter cutting. The reference of blade specifications for different sizes of materials. Troubleshooting. Warning. Disconnect power source before making any repairs or adjustments. Changing the blade. Remove the blade cover. Remove the chip brush. Take away the front blade guide. Loosen the blade tension and remove the blade. Install the blade. Assemble the new blade. Replace the front blade guide. Install the chip brush. Replace the blade cover. Adjust blade tension and check up the tension gauge. The reasons of inefficient cutting. The blade tension is not proper. Adjust tension and check up the tension gauge. The blade is not properly positioned. The blade back is too far away from the blade wheel flange. According to the following steps, adjust the gap between the blade back and wheel flange. Change ball bearings. Remove the ball bearing back seat and blade guide. Remove the ball bearing front seat and blade guide. Take away the E-ring and remove the ball bearings. Install new ball bearings, set up E-ring, and replace everything back. Change fuses. Disconnect the main power source. Remove the control panel. Assemble new fuses and replace the control panel. Release the overload switch and changing the coil of hydraulic pump. Hydraulic pump overload warning light is shining. Release overload relay to restore the normal operation. Remove the hydraulic pump coil. Loosen the screws to install the new coil, and then replace everything back. Changing PCB. Disconnect the main power source. Remove the switch on the door of electrical box. Remove the speed selector switch. Take off the control panel. Remove the PCB connector and change with a new one. Assemble the PCB connector and then replace everything back.